Manifest your dreams. Speak it into existence. True manifestation is what I'm about to tell you about on this confident episode. Confidence hack number 44 of 365 throughout the year. If you would like these written out, coming to you in an email to your inbox, go to davidnurse.com, sign up for free. Whatever higher power you believe in, that is your choice to make. I'll start with that. But I'll also be very transparent with you. I choose the Holy Trinity. That is Jesus, God, and the Holy Spirit. So, for sake of this confidence hack today, what higher power do you believe in? A very interesting study has been done by the Huffington Post, gauging self-esteem levels between those who said they believed in a higher power and those who did not. Results showed that people who believed in a loving God who takes personal interest in their life and future were more likely to reap positive health benefits. These mental health benefits range from less likely to be depressed or anxious to having a greater sense of optimism and hope when facing stressful situations. Now, on the flip side, those who did not believe in a higher power or believed their higher power did not love them and did not have a vested interest in their life were more likely to struggle with negative mental health issues. It's very interesting. It really is. And I'm not telling you who to believe in or what belief is right or wrong. I'm not here to tell you that right now. Just the simple fact of believing in a higher power that loves you and gives you hope for a future is worth its weight in gold to live with less stress and anxiety, something I think we all can agree we have less of. I always find it interesting when I ask people the question, do you want to go to heaven when you die? Every single person of hundreds I have asked this to have all said yes. Not one said no. So then my follow-up question is this: if you say you want to go to heaven where you would live with God, then why would you not want to live with God here on earth? Let that one sink in. Now you might be thinking, well, I like to think that the universe manifests my future. Okay, very popular belief in this day and age. Can we agree the smartest humans who study the universe and all the matter in it, they are the quantum physicists. So quantum physicists agree there is no evidence or scientific proof manifestation works by individually simply wishing it into existence. None. Zero. Nil. Nada. Trust, the world will conspire in your favor. This is from the very popular best-selling book, The Secret, the manifestation book. Yeah, sure. Show me one slice of evidence, though, that the universe has the ability to conspire. Please, if you have this information of a conspiring universe, email it to me. I would love to hear about it. However, the amount of evidence of God existing is overwhelming. Listen, take, for example, how many skin cells you have on your body. You have 300 million skin cells on your body. How many neurons do you have in your body? You have 100 billion neurons. Is there a random chance that these things just happen? This is just two things of an astronomical number of, could this be a random chance? There is no chance this is random. Do you need more? Enter the Drake equation, created by one of the smartest scientists to ever live. Harvard University astronomy professor Harlow Shapley hypothesized on the number of inhabited planets in the universe, saying the universe has 10 million suns. There's 10 followed by 18 zeros, similar to our own sun. That many suns out there? Wow. To break that down even further, 1 in a million has planets around it, meaning only 1 in a million has the right combination of chemicals, temperature, water, days, and nights to support planetary life as we know it. This calculation arrives at the estimated figure of 100 million worlds where life has been forged by evolution. Lucky strike by the universe, huh? You can gain confidence, a great confidence boost today, knowing that you don't have to go through this life alone. You really don't. You are not just a meat suit walking around on this planet hoping that the universe will conspire in your favor. No, there is a higher calling on your life, a higher power who loves you and has a future for you. And if you ever want to talk about it more, please reach out to me. I would love to have that conversation. Knowing this right there, my friend, is the best form of true confidence.